Welcome to this beautiful meditation. After a beautiful yoga practice in the beginning of the week, a nice, beautiful start. A beautiful Monday morning. New week, new light. Slowly start to notice your breath. Take a nice deep breath in and slowly breathe out, letting go. Keep breathing. Feel your whole body resting on the yoga mat. Let the muscles soften. From the feet to the head. Now gently tighten the muscles in your feet. Hold for a moment and release. Feel the calm spreading upward. Tighten your calves and thighs. Hold it and drop them down. Let go of the entire weight you have been carrying. Now soften your face, your eyes, your jaw. Let the breath move freely and quietly. Your whole body is now relaxed. Calm, open, safe. Imagine yourself sitting in a peaceful garden at sunrise. Golden light touches your face. Soft wind touches your skin. You feel supported connected with the earth. Every breath brings strength. Every exhale releases yesterday's stress. You have walked through many Mondays before. Each one shaping you, teaching you, but now this new week feels different. Lighter, clearer, more centered. As your breath slows down, you begin to hear a gentle voice inside. The wise, calm part of you that always knows the way. It says softly, I am calm and capable. I lead with heart and clarity. I trust life to guide me. I carry peace into every actions, every moment. Let these words sink into your conscious, subconscious, unconscious, and superconsciousness. Like seeds falling into fertile soil, they will grow silently, beautifully throughout the week. Now imagine standing before a clear lake. Its surface mirrors the blue sky, still and pure. As you gaze into the water, you see your reflection. Strong, graceful, radiant. This is your true self. not the titles, not the expectations, but the essence of calm leadership. A beautiful woman of wisdom, light and balance. The lake begins to shimmer with the golden light. It flows toward you, filling your heart with energy. Your mind with focus, your body with vitality. You feel renewed, powerful, grounded in peace. Now take a slow, deep breath in and feel gratitude for this new week ahead. You are ready to face whatever comes, not by force, but with grace and awareness. Repeat silently within. I begin this week with calm energy. I lead with kindness and wisdom. I trust myself completely. Feel that soft smile on your face. Feeling refreshed, focused, and peaceful. You have begun this week in balance, with a heart